If you want to restore alloy wheels yourself at home, this is the only video you will ever need. To begin with, use 120 grade sandpaper. Lightly sand the rim set by hand without applying pressure. Where there are protrusions, sand all the way to the plane. Feel with your fingers if it is good. The same goes for the other protrusions. Sand the complete edge of the rim as well. Check under your fingers if there is any protrusion left somewhere. Now note all the holes and slots. If the holes are larger and deeper, use the base putty for auto body repair. It is two-component and will easily patch all large surfaces. If the holes or damage are superficial, use nitro putty. It is single component in tube packaging as toothpaste. Spread flat in easily accessible places with a plastic spatula. After drying for 15 minutes, use 180 grit sandpaper very lightly. Never make uniform movements. Sand in circular movements without aiming and occasionally wet the sandpaper. Try to follow the shape of the metal. The goal is to lose the sharp edges at the end of the stain. The stain must be barely visible at the end. When you have sanded all the spots with 180 grade sandpaper, do the same again, but this time use 320 grade sandpaper. The edges should now start to disappear. The same procedure again, but with 800 grade sandpaper. If you missed a hole, immediately fill it with putty and repeat grinding process. Wet your hands and check the entire rim under your fingers for irregularities. It should be completely smooth now. Old paint can crack and leave channels like this. Care paint cannot fill and you have to use nitro or primer. If the canals are inaccessible for use with a spatula, use your fingers. If you notice such a reflection, it is a channel that needs to be filled and sanded. Go through everything again. To wash the rim, use some kind of degreaser and rinse well. After 4 hours of preparation, it's time for varnishing. Preparation is 90% of the work. Dry in the sun or with a hot gun. Since we do not paint directly on aluminum, no base color is needed, but we use a filler that will fill and align all the small parts and several irregularities. And before painting, protect the rubber. I do it this way because it's quick and easy. Shake the filler well for a few minutes and then spray a thin layer. After 20 minutes, spray another layer. This is what your result should look like. If you use the same color, paint the inside of the rim first. One layer is enough. Spray only 30% of the first coat of paint. After half an hour, spray the second layer completely. After half an hour, spray a layer of transparent spray that will give extra shine and protect the varnish. The final look should be like this.